Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to return a BT YouView box full channel tuning and signal fix. Step-by-step channel retuning. Press the home button or the blue YouView button on your BT remote. Navigate to settings, the cog icon usually found in the top right corner, and then press OK. Now select TV signal and quality from the menu options. Choose retune channels and confirm the action. Wait for the progress bar to reach 100%. Once finished, select Done to save the updated channel list. Resolving signal and tuning issues. Soft reset. Turn off the box using the power switch at the back. Wait for 30 seconds, power it back on, and try retuning again. Check the aerial. U-view boxes require a high quality rooftop aerial. Indoor portable areas often suffer from interference and dropouts. Avoid over amplification. If you use a signal booster, try removing it. A signal that is too strong can overload the tuner and cause the same screen artifacts as a weak signal. Manual maintenance. Check settings, then go to TV signal and quality, then go to signal information to view your exact signal strength and quality percentages. A healthy signal should ideally show a quality score above 80%. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.